Hi, my name is Gary from organicweb.com.au. I'm a MailChimp partner and I provide MailChimp training and consulting. Today I'm going to go through how we can style the MailChimp unsubscribe form. Specifically, what I mean by that is when someone clicks on unsubscribe in the email that you send to a person, they're marked as unsubscribed in your audience, but they're then shown a survey. That survey is grey and black, so it's handy to brand it for our own purposes, and I'll show you how to do that. I'll go across to MailChimp. You can see I'm in my MailChimp audience at the moment. To style the unsubscribe survey form, I click Sign Up Forms. I click Form Builder. And if I scroll down under Forms and Response Emails, I can click Unsubscribe Success Page. And you can see that this is kind of the survey that people see when they unsubscribe, when they've clicked unsubscribe in MailChimp. So maybe we just want to make it look like our corporate branding. So what we can do is we can click Design It to the top of the screen. I might want to use an image as my logo, for example, so I click Use Image. I'm taken to the MailChimp Content Studio, so I can just click on my logo and click Insert. And then I'll click Save and Insert Image, and we'll notice that my logo is now there. Maybe I want to change the background a little bit. To do that, under Background, I merely click on there and add in my color codes or change it to a corporate color that I'd use. And just to show you, I'll just change it to a color just so you can see it does change it. Not the best colors, but hey, that's absolutely fine just for this demo. There we go, we've now branded it. So people now, when they unsubscribe, click unsubscribe in MailChimp, they'll be marked as unsubscribed in your audience and they'll see the survey. Now, it actually doesn't matter if the person completes the survey or not, they'll still be unsubscribed. We also, however, cannot change the actual questions that are asked in the survey. Thanks for joining me, and if you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.